trying an experiment. So this is an iPhone 6, an average working iPhone 6. We're gonna put it, oh crap, we're gonna put it in the fridge and we're gonna check up on it nearly every hour and see what it does. After 24 hours we're gonna check on it, and yeah. It's in for about an hour and a half. Oh, it's freezing, like actually like freezing. It's like holding a brand new can of Coke from out of the fridge. It's actually freezing. I think this is gonna break. I'll take it out of the cover. Oh my god, I can't even get it out of the cover. Should get it out of the cover. There. Oh, it's freezing. It's going in overnight. It's not gonna survive, but I'm going to sleep. See you guys tomorrow morning. I'll update you guys. Bye. On $100 timer. Let's get this over. Just so you guys know, this isn't fake. See you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, it is the morning. I just woke up and I just took out the fridge right now, and for some reason it's not switching on, which you guys can see. It's actually freezing. Like, it feels like it's just been in a freezer. It feels like a fresh popsicle, just holding a fresh popsicle. It's actually freezing. But yeah, I guess it breaks. That's what happens. So, don't put your phone in a fridge overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't that good, but upload daily. This is what content I'll give you. Alright, have a good one.